Kia ora, Rarotonga. Our ocean connects, nourishes and supports us all.
World Oceans Day is a global celebration of our oceans and our personal connection through Te Moana Nui o 𝐀𝐬.
It's an opportunity to raise awareness
about the crucial role our ocean plays in our lives
and how we can protect it while sustainably using its many resources.
This year's theme is Revitalisation, collective action for the ocean.
So we're teaming up with marine-related agencies
and organisations for a collaborative celebration.
There will be music, delicious food,
exhibits, guest speakers and many more.
Come along and don't miss out.
Join us on Wednesday the 8th of June at 9 a.m. at the Taua Terevete Park as we celebrate World Oceans Day. Ka kite!